maiwanan ka ni Mami Oni, saan ka pupunta?
Mag-SB19 ako.
Yan! Ang sinasabi ko.
A recent video featuring Filipino vlogger, dancer, and content creator Vince Flores, popularly known as Tito Vince, has been circulating online, delighting fans of the P-pop kings. SB19. The clip showcases Vince performing dance covers and singing snippets of SB19's popular songs. The video originates from a casual vlog where Vince and his group of friends are engaged in lighthearted conversation. The mood suddenly shifts when Vince, known for his impressive dance skills, begins to showcase his renditions of SB19 hits. With energetic dance moves and singing, Vince captures the essence of SB19's performances, earning admiration from viewers.
Pag iniwan ako ni Tony, may pang-anim na member ng SB19.
Para magtatanggapin siya.
SB20, ko
Oh,
pa
gagi. Grabe yun.
Galingan mo dito, Vince.
SB19.
Huwag mo siyang iiwanan.
Kaya ko kantayin yung Gento mag-isa.
Kasi pag hindi yan,
What's up? I get some Malaysia. I woke up and baked that potato. One sack of big sack of Malaysia. What's up? Naman kasi ang Gucci. Hindi ka naman hanalabi. Ang Mundi. Ang Mundi. Marami iyo.
okay, sana see you later. Pagkatapos,
No, you soon see me later. Alamin ang mga bagay-bagay. Pwede saan mahal. Hindi ka maingay. Gana ingay. Gento. Ako'y tahimik na sa umpisa.
wala si...
Ang birthday ko ba?